Alright, you beautiful f***ers, sit the hell down and listen up, because today we're talking about a piece of gear that's going to make your f***ing life easier. Forget that other bullshit, and let me introduce you to the Insta360 GO Ultra Standard Bundle, Midnight Black. This little motherfucker is about to change your content game for good, and if you're ready to stop looking like an amateur and actually level the f*** up, I've left a link to the best deals down in my description below. Don't be a dumbass. Click it and get yourself set up right. Let's start with the weight, shall we? This thing is 53 grams. 53 grams. That's lighter than a goddamn feather and smaller than your fucking ego. You're gonna forget it's even on you until you realize it's recording the smoothest, most beautiful 4K footage you've ever seen. This isn't your grandma's shitty camcorder. This is a tiny, lightweight beast that fits in your hand like a goddamn glove. Want to ride your bike, run, or even dive into the ocean and capture that shit in crystal clear detail? This camera's got your back, you magnificent asshole. Now let's talk about what's actually important. 4K 60 frames per second. That's right, 4K at 60 frames per second. You want that smooth cinematic shit, and this bad boy delivers. No more blurry, choppy footage like you're filming with a potato. Whether you're zipping through traffic or diving underwater to film some fish, this thing captures everything in stunning 4K with silky smooth 60 frames per second. If you're still shooting in 1080p, you should be ashamed of yourself. Get with the fucking program. But don't even think about saying, oh, but what if it's dark out? How will it perform? Shut your mouth. The Insta360 GO Ultra doesn't give a shit about low light. It's got a 1/1.2 8-inch sensor and a 5 nanometer. AI chip that'll make your night footage look so crisp, you'd think you're filming under the goddamn sun. Whether you're shooting in the middle of a pitch black forest or partying in a club, this camera's gonna make it look like you're filming in broad daylight. Battery life. Oh, fuck yeah. 70 minutes on the standalone camera, and when you add in the action pod, you get 3 fucking hours. 3 goddamn hours. You can shoot the entire fucking day and never worry about running out of power. And when you do need to recharge, the Insta360 GO Ultra doesn't dick around. It charges from 0 to 80% in just 12 fucking minutes. You could almost charge it faster than you can microwave a frozen pizza. It's that quick. Now let's talk mounting. This little bastard is magnetic as hell. Want to stick it on your bike, your goddamn forehead, or even your dog? Do it. You want a first-person POV shot? Clip this thing to your hat or wear it like a fucking necklace. The possibilities are endless. No more awkwardly holding a huge camera and looking like a jackass. This camera mounts anywhere, and it'll make your footage look like a professional shot it, even though you're probably still a little drunk while filming it. And if you think it's going to be a shaky mess, think again, dipshit. The Insta360 GO Ultra has FlowState Stabilization with 3 levels and a 360 horizon lock. That means no matter how much you're bouncing around, jumping off shit, or falling down drunk, your footage is going to look smooth as butter. You're not going to look like you're filming with a goddamn earthquake going off in the background. It's going to be steady as a rock. Waterproof? Hell yes. You can take this bad boy underwater to 33 feet without a care in the world. And if you're some kind of insane lunatic who needs to dive deeper, the action pod lets you go down to 197 feet. Yeah, 197 feet. This thing's more durable than most of the people I know. If you need to film in the fucking Mariana Trench, this camera's gonna be there for you, you crazy bastard. Now let's talk about how easy this is. Don't want to edit? Fine. Just let the AI handle that shit. With a single tap, the Insta360 GO Ultra's AI finds your highlights, slaps on some cool ass transitions, and puts music to it. In other words, you're a lazy asshole who doesn't need to do shit except press a button, and boom, your video's ready to go. Want to share that masterpiece on social media? With free frame mode, you can instantly share in any damn aspect ratio you want. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, whatever the hell. The camera handles it all, so you don't have to do anything except look like a genius. Bottom line, this little fucker is a powerhouse. It's small, it's light, and it's going to give you 4K footage that'll make everyone wonder how the hell you pulled it off. If you don't want to be a complete idiot with your content, get the Insta360 GO Ultra. I've linked it down in the description. Click it, grab that shit, and thank me later. Don't waste your time with cheap-ass cameras that make you look like a joke. Get off your lazy ass, buy this thing, and start making content that actually looks fucking amazing. And if you don't, well, don't come crying to me when your footage looks like shit. Like, comment, subscribe, or don't. Honestly, I don't give a fuck, but if you want to shoot like a fucking pro, hit that goddamn button.